Safe Product Owner versus Scrum Product Owner. The Safe Product Owner and Scrum Product Owner sound the same, right? Do you know, according to LinkedIn, by 2022, with a 24% annual growth rate, the product owner will play a key role in Agile and will be identified as an emerging job in the United States. In this video, we will explore the differences between a Safe Product Owner and a Scrum Product Owner, how they are different and how they are similar to each other. So, before getting started, for more updates, let's like and subscribe to our channel. A product owner is responsible for the development of a product. Their role is to lead the team and guide the product's progress, enabling them to succeed. In Agile methodology, the product owner plays a vital role in every type of product development. Let's take a look at how they are similar and different. So, let us know who is the product owner in Agile. An Agile product owner is responsible for increasing the product value that an Agile development team builds. Agile product owner communicates with several teams and departments. Product team members, senior management, and product users are part of this group. So, by communicating with different people, he gets feedback, then prioritizes them accordingly for the development teams. Product owners in Agile play a very crucial role, not only because they are interacting with everyone to get feedback, but also because a product owner may be responsible for the entire backlog of a product. A backlog may be managed for a particular feature of a product in other instances. So, we have discussed who is the product owner. Now it's time to discuss who is a Safe Product Owner. The product owner is also a team member who communicates with customers by explaining product details and requirements to team members. In Safe, due to the large number of products and projects in the program, his role is to work on selected product backlogs, prioritizing them as per urgency. There can be no more than 2 teams supported by one PO. The Safe registered PO is responsible for maintaining the overall product vision, under the supervision of the product manager. Now, let's explore what is a Scrum Product Owner. To maximize the value of the product, the Scrum Product Owner is the sole person responsible. All requirements for the product are listed in the product backlog, and this is his/her responsibility to maintain or prioritize. This role is the original owner of the product and is responsible for maximizing its value. The phrase "taking responsibility for the product in its entirety" is key here. To get a clear understanding of the Scrum Product Owner, let us take an example of Google Docs. In this application is the product. We only have to write the content, whereas saving the content, correcting grammatical errors, and correcting spelling are done by various other features in the application. So, the product owner should know everything about the product, not only 1 or 2 features. He should be accountable for that. Now comes the major difference between Safe Product Owner and Scrum Product Owner. When we compare them, there is a huge difference between them. They both resemble a product owner, but when the adjective Safe and Scrum before the product owner word makes them different. Safe Product Owner, Scrum Product Owner. The Safe Product Owner is not accountable for the entire product. The Safe Product Owner's responsibility is for the execution part. The Scrum Product Owner is the owner of the product, and he/she is responsible for each and every part of the product. A Safe Product Owner is responsible for managing the team backlog and all its dependencies. The Scrum Product Owner is responsible for managing the product backlog. A Safe Product Owner can work most of the time with multiple teams. A Scrum Product Owner can work with 1 or more teams. A Safe Product Owner has content authority at the team level. A Scrum Product Owner is more authoritative as compared to a Safe Product Owner. A Safe Product Owner, on the other hand, is responsible for keeping their team safe. They make sure that their team members are doing their jobs safely and efficiently so that they can get the most out of their time together. The Scrum Product Owner is responsible for making sure the team has all of the information they need to deliver high-quality software products. Do you want to get certified as a Safe Product Owner or a Scrum Product Owner? From the above, we can see that there are benefits to getting certified as a Safe Product Owner or Scrum Product Owner. If you want to get certified in either of these roles, it is important to weigh the pros and cons to see which one is right for you. Both certifications will give you the knowledge and skills you need to be successful in product management, but they each have different emphases. Choose the certification that best aligns with your goals and interests to get the most out of your training.